Hello and welcome back. Let's find out the value of cube root 4 times root 16 times root 32 times root 64. We are going to simplify this tricky looking and confusing question in an easy way. All you have to watch the complete video and don't forget to thumbs up if you like the solution. We are going to simplify this square root of 64 first. We will replace this square root of 64 by its alternate value, that is equal to 8. Square root of 64 is 8. In the next step, we will multiply these two numbers 32 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 1 carry 8 times 3 is 24 and 1 25. Further simplification of 256 we are going to do at this side. We can write 256 as 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 and value of this square root is 1 over 2. 2 1 time is 2 and 2 4 time is 8. So this is equal to 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. In the next step we are going to replace the value of 256, that is equal to 16. Square root of 256 is 16. Cube root 4 and this square root of 16 square. This square and root will be cancelled out. We are left with cube root 4 times 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Square root of 64 and square root of 64 is equal to 8. We can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 and value of this cube root is 1 over 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. We have 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 2 again. That is required in this question. The value of this radical expression is equal to 2. Please let me know if you are not clear about anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye till the next time.